Dah on ke? Dah on. Okay, jom buat.
Hi everybody. So for today I'm going to prepare a short tutorial video on how to include voting in MS Outlook emails. Without wasting any more time, let's go. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the browser version of Microsoft Outlook because that's going to be the standard email client. We start by opening up our Microsoft Outlook in our situation right here. In our example, let's make a new message. Probably for this tutorial, we are going to create something like lunch to celebrate MCO ending. Great grammar. Okay, so let's decide where we should have lunch today. What you want to do is you want to click on these three buttons over here. Click on the polls, okay? On the polls, and you will be given this pop-up window. Just wait for a second for it to load up. Okay, when it's completed its loading, put it something like this. Guys, let's decide our lunch day. So option 1, KFC. Second one is K-Fry. The third one is, if you have more, you just click on the add option. Vivo, Nippon Sushi. Alright. Ataupun Mama. So if you want your team members to choose one, leave this off, multiple answers. But if you just want to get voting where your team member can vote more than one, 2 or 3, you can turn this on and people can choose how many. Okay. And don't forget to click next to finalize the polling and add to email. When you click add to email, you're going to put these polls into your email.
Even after you include the polls in your email, you can still add it, and whatever the changes is going to be live in the form.
And then you just modify it, prepare your emails and send it out as you usually do. You can also choose to send it later if you want, but for this case we'll send it right away and have a look at what the recipient will receive. Alright, now the recipient have already received the email and he will see something like this, and they can choose whatever they want depending on the settings that you've made, either individual or multiple input, and he can vote before seeing all the results of previous voting. So I hope this short tutorial helps with your mission. See you soon. Bye bye.